Hey everybody, it's Jared Livingston here at Big Pine Sports. You're getting a good look at that Wolverine X2. This is your first look. We've done a 28, 10, 14 on there as well. Street legal kit, a couple mirrors on there, and we got a lot of other accessories still on the way, but we're gonna send this one out the door right now, and we're gonna have some feedback from the customer here over the weekend, but he wanted to take it out for the 4th of July, go have some fun with it. So just wanted to kind of give you that first look, as you know we love to do here. You can see the Ryco street legal kit there installed on the vehicle. It's gonna work and activate just like everything else that we do. Down's gonna activate at left, up's gonna be right, horn button integrated into the end. I'm gonna do a full review and walk around on that street legal kit again a little later, but just wanted to kind of give you a good nice look with those 28s on there. You can see we've got plenty of ground clear, or plenty of clearance there for that 28 to fit. Could you do a 30? Absolutely. I think we've got plenty of room still. Highlights on this vehicle, super quiet. In my opinion, it is going to rock the world here in the two-seater market for a couple of good reasons. One, it's a Yamaha. Two, it is the quietest side-by-side on the market. Now, I know you guys heard my video when we were talking about the Wolverine X4 being the quietest side-by-side on the market. That was true until the X2 came out. This machine is even more quiet than the four-seater is, so you guys that don't need those extra seats, you're gonna love the Wolverine X2. Some other cool features, it does have a dump bed on it now, so the Wolverine, yes, has a nice dump bed. You can see it's a nice good-sized dump bed. Plenty of options. All of these square locations are for accessories, from spare tire mounts to cargo boxes and all that fun stuff. Another cool thing, it's got a tailgate like a pickup truck, not like the Vikings have, where you've got the individual latches on the sides. You do have a 2-inch receiver hitch. The same one that's in your truck will slide right in. Check out those new tail lights. I'm gonna hurry and turn on the dash. You do have the new gauge, as you're familiar with on all the new Yamaha product. You've got your mile per hour, your odometer, your fuel. Very easy to understand and read display. 4-wheel drive selector switch on the left-hand side. 4-wheel drive limited slip, and then into differential lock. So super easy to function there. Let me know what you guys would like to know about the vehicle. If you have any questions, I have the answers. If you need accessories, I've got them. Here's a look at the tail lights. Pretty sweet. They also have new backup lights in the tail lights. Let me throw it in reverse here real quick. Check that out. Nice and bright at night. I pulled it outside just to see how well it illuminated. It illuminates a big field of view for you, so you've already got that backup light built into the reverse. Very cool features, a lot more coming. Of course, the air intake's up under the hood. You've got the speed limiter key up under the hood as well. Again, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You got that first look on the Wolverine X2. More to come, and a lot of accessory videos to come as well. Talk to you soon.